For this quiz, you'll just need a pen and a piece of paper to write your answers down. Each question has a timer for 20 seconds each. At the end of each question, there'll be a ding, and then I will move on to the next question. In total, there are 12 questions. So let's get started. Question 1. Question 2. Question 3. Question 4. Question 5. Question 6. Question 7. Question 8. Question 9. Question 10. Question 11. And question 12. Okay, that's the end of the questions. Let's move on to the answers. Question 1, name the straight line graph. Okay, this is called y equals 3. So if you're not quite sure, pick a few coordinates out on the graph, write them down, and you'll notice that the y is always 3 along there. X changes, but y is always 3. So the graph is y equals 3. Question 2. So this one is called y equals minus 8. Question 3. This is x equals 4. Question 4. This is x equals minus 1. Question 5. This is y equals x. You can also put minus y equals minus x equals minus y, x equals y. But again, try picking some coordinates and having a look. So when y is 5, x is 5. When y is 1, x is 1. When y is minus 3, x is minus 3. Whatever y is, x is the same. Question 6. So this is y equals minus x. You could also call it minus y equals x, minus x equals y, or x equals minus y. Question 7. What does the m represent and what does the c represent? Well, the m is the gradient. It's positive if it runs from bottom left to top right, and it's negative if it's top left to bottom right. And the c represents where it cuts the y-axis. It's called the y-intercept. Question 8. Where does it cross the y-axis? Well, that crosses it at 4. Question 9. What's the gradient of this line? This gradient is 1. If you notice, it goes for every 1 block down, it goes 1 block across. Question 10. What's the gradient of this line? Well, for every 2 blocks down, it goes 1 block across. So it's 2. This one, you notice, goes in a different direction. So it's going to be a negative gradient. For every 3 down, it goes 1 across. So the gradient is minus 3. And which lines are parallel and which are perpendicular? Well, parallel lines means that they never ever meet. So that's the blue and green lines. And perpendicular means they are at 90 degrees to each other. So that's the purple and orange lines. Well, that's the end of my straight lines quick quiz. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.